get you? Did I get you? I got you. I got you. Don't even lie. I got you. Happy spooky season. It is finally upon us, which means we're only a couple weeks away from Halloween. I really wanted to show you guys how you can decorate for Halloween that is affordable so you don't have to break the bank, because you know us college and high school kids, we don't have a ton of money to be blowing it on Halloween decorations. So I want to show you how you can still decorate for Halloween without blowing all your money on Halloween decorations. So as you can see right here, we have our Halloween tree, our Halloween wreath, which my hair is stuck on. Oh, my hair is stuck on this Halloween wreath. So just keep watching, and please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite Halloween decorations are. Let's get on into the video. Starting off, we're going to remove our old fall decorations that we have up. I'm taking down the wreath that was over my bathroom door, and I'm replacing it with our new decorations. So the first thing you're going to need are candles. I got this candle from Bath & Body Works, and it's called Vampire Blood. It's from their Halloween collection. Next are wreaths. So you can either create your own wreath or you could buy one at the store. I bought mine from Joann's, and it's just a raven wreath, and it has these bats on the little tree branches, and it's painted black with some black glitter. And I bought some ribbon from Michael's. This is from Place and Time, and it's just a sparkly black ribbon, and it goes perfectly with our Halloween wreath. The next thing I have is a Halloween tree, and I got this from Lowe's. This is from Holiday Living, and it's a really nice tree. These are great to put in your bedroom, and it really gives it that Halloween vibe. And this comes with some ornaments, some ghost ornaments, a tree skirt, and the hooks. And I believe it was $13. The next thing are dead flowers. Now, dead flowers are perfect to decorate for Halloween with, and you don't have to spend a lot of money to do it. So these are my 4 Halloween decor inspos that you could decorate for Halloween with without breaking the bank. So now I'm just removing all of my old fall decorations I have up so I can make room for our new decorations. Over here, I'm just cleaning the desk and the spots that I'm going to put my decorations on. And over here, I'm just going to put my Halloween tree on it. Holiday Living tree decoration, tree skirt, 20 ornaments, and 20 hooks included. That looks so cute. Look at that. Look at that picture right there. That is so cute. I've never had a black Christmas tree before, and I really wanted one after seeing somebody decorate like their actual Christmas tree as a Halloween Christmas tree. And so I was like, my mom would never go for that. So at least I could do it for my room. And then when I saw these mini ones, I was like, this is perfect. I could so do this for my room. It's literally so cute. And it comes with a little tree skirt with ghosts. This is so adorable. My room is gonna be so Halloween. I love this. Okay, I guess this is a tree stand. Ah! Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if we can do this about. What's this? Is this the glue? Yeah, it's the glue. I believe it goes like this. Oh, yes. Where's the other ones? Okay, over here. Make sure it's stuck in place. It's moving around too much. It's moving way too much for my liking. Where'd the other one go? Where did the other one go? I found it. Okay. Now that we have, oh, don't fall. You see it? I don't like that. Why is it moving too much? I don't like I love small Christmas trees, but I don't like how they move way too much. They just basically look like they're about to fall at any moment. Like they need to do a harder glue, or like put it on something where it sticks like a nail or something so it doesn't fall, because I don't want it falling everywhere. All right, we're just gonna open this up. Okay, so next in decorating our Halloween Christmas tree, we have our ornaments. So I'm just gonna take them all out. Let's get the tree skirt out. Alright. It's just a bunch of ghosts. This is so cute. So, first thing, we're gonna put our little tree skirt on. Look how cute this is. This is like so freaking adorable. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. It's freaking adorable. Alright. And then we have these. And it comes with our hooks. And they're just little, just look like paper clips. The first one we're gonna put on is this really cute, oh, it's not even open. Oh, okay, we got it. It's this really cute little orange glittery ball. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, you don't understand how much I love Christmas. So it's kind of like having a little piece of Christmas in October. So this is amazing. And I love how they're a combination of matte and sparkly. Look at the ghost! Oh my gosh! I am loving this. Look at that. I'm putting our ghost right there. That is so cute. We interrupt this video for brief messaging. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment down below what your favorite Halloween decorations are. Share it with all your friends. Let's get on back into the video. Another ghosty. We're gonna put over here on this side. Oh no, we want it to be the same. We want our ghosties to be same. Push over here. Yeah. Ta-da! I know it kind of gives you like Christmas vibes because this is a snowflake. So I'm gonna see whether I like it or not, but for now I'm just gonna leave it like that because I just didn't want to leave it like plain at the top. It just felt wrong to me, you know? A tree, a Christmas tree has to have a top. So I just put that there. But I am gonna go out and see if I can find a pumpkin or something to put at the top, you know what I mean? So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is put pumpkins that I have for my fall decorations and just put them over here. So I went to Bath and Body Works and I got one of their candles, and this candle is called Vampire Blood. Like, I know, right? I have so many candles now. It's like, why do you have so much candles? I don't know. I never knew vampire blood would smell like strawberries. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to light this. So I just got the yellow roses that I have, and these are actual real dead roses. Like, these are real dead flowers that just like, they just died like this. Like, I don't know why, but I just kept them because I thought they were so cute. I just like the way it looked, you know what I mean? These dead flowers and how they just dried up. Like, they don't look bad, they just look dried. And they just dried like this by themselves, and then the leaves are like that. And I thought it goes perfectly for Halloween, you know what I mean? So I put it like this, and I'm like, it gives me graveyard feels. I don't know why, but it does. It gives me graveyard feels. So I thought it went perfectly for Halloween to have dead roses over here. And now it's time to put up the wreath. Now you just want to measure out how long it's gonna be from your door. So you want to make sure you have enough to go on the side of your door to hang it on your handle. So this might be enough. Let me check. You can just go through the other side and see how long you would want it. And then we're just gonna cut it. So I have my scissors right here. And we're gonna cut it right around here. Right there. And then we're just gonna tie it to our hook. Or in this case, it's like another ribbon tied around this wreath. So we're just gonna tie it to the ribbon and then put it on top of our door. And then tie it again just to make sure it's tight and doesn't fall. Alright, so this is what it's gonna look like. So we're just gonna take our wreath and hang it on our door. Throw it over. And then you just hold it to the back to see what placement you want. And then we just tie it to the back of our door. There you go. And that is how you put your wreath on your door. Especially when you don't have a hook that would fit through your door. So you just put a ribbon and that's how you put your wreath. And of course, don't forget to cut off your tag. Yeah, you cut off your tag. And now, we're done. So this is our raven wreath. And that's really spooky vibes right there. I mean, look at it, the bird, we have a raven, our Halloween Christmas tree, our candle, our dead flowers, full on spookiness right here. I really hope you guys enjoyed all these decorations, from our Halloween tree to our raven wreath. And if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what your favorite Halloween decorations are. I'll see you guys next week with another video. Bye! Spooky season, hey, it's spooky season, hey, it's spooky season. Hi, Ghosty, it's so cute. Let me see. I'm dropping everything today, oh my gosh.